Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here sharing the kits that I'm planning to use for May 2025. Hard to believe it's already time to start planning for that. But there are 5 weeks that are predominantly in May. In 2025, they kind of border a lot, to be honest. So the first week is April 28th through May 4th, so this is very much a split month. But April 28th is my anniversary, so I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables called Happy Anniversary. Seems very appropriate and very well themed for this particular week. So this is what I plan to use, and I am very excited to be putting that in my kit, in my planner. I think it's cute, fun. I like the little quotes, all the like red stuff like that. So I'm excited to be using this. For the next week, it's week of May 5th through the 11th. So this has Mother's Day. It's also the start of Lilac Festival here in my town. So I did have this kit called Lavender from B&R Paper Crafts. This is a leftovers. I think I used it last year for Lilac Festival, even though lavender and lilac obviously aren't the same thing. The colors really overlap. So this one has all these like bluey colors and purples. I have some washi strips and functionals here, tons of functional stuff here, a few full boxes, a couple more full boxes, and like that little half box and functionals, and then headers, etc. here. So this is what I have left in this kit. So my plan, this gives me 3, 4, 5 full boxes. I don't know how many of them I'm gonna use because I'm also gonna pull in this sheet of full boxes from B&R Paper Crafts, so they're both the same shop, obviously different kits. This one is the flowers and books full boxes. So I think I might try to pull in at least the more flower heavy ones. We're gonna have to kind of see how I decide to mix in with the leftovers. This is the vinyl matte versus this being like just matte regular paper, but I think it's gonna look fine when it gets combined. And I'm excited to use all of this stuff and hopefully get this kit down to just a few pieces that can be thrown in my like miscellaneous leftovers stash. For the third week, it is May 12th through the 18th, and for that week I thought it would be fun to use this sticker book that I've had for like 100 years. It's by American Crafts. It's a Dear Lizzy sticker book. I don't think this one is available anymore, but I do have it, so I want to use it. But it has all this like kind of wildflower themed stuff. Some full boxes here. Some more bigger stickers. I don't know if I'll be able to use them, but there. Lots of kind of functional stickers, more functional stickers. I have used this for a spread before. So I think it'll be really fun to kind of use it again. Here, so you can kind of see that it has like cute little sayings to go with each day. In the past, I used it in a month that was the 1st through the 7th, so I could actually use the numbers. Probably can't do that this time, but like you can see back here, lots more full boxes. And more here. I like the little birds. I think they're really cute. It is mostly gold foiled, I think, when it is foiled. This is more like extra springy kinds of colors in the second half. I'm not sure which half I'm going to try to use for the colors, or if I'm just going to kind of mix everything. We'll have to see how that goes. I do also have this set of headers that don't have like the sayings to go with the days. But we'll see how it goes and see what I need to bring in, but I am excited to use this for another week. The fourth week is May 19th through the 25th, and I just wanted something purple. To me, May just screams purple in my mind. Not totally sure why, but I'm going to use this kit. I hope it goes this way. This is from My Planner Life UK. It's called Spaceman, and it has like all this space themed kind of stuff for the full boxes, and these kind of purple and then blue and turquoise mixed in. So I thought that it would be kind of good for this week, and I think it's super cute and fun. And I haven't had a chance to use this one yet. It also, these My Planner Life UK kits make the setup for the week super fast, which I thought would be nice as well. And then the last week that's in the month is May 26th through June 1st. So that includes my brother-in-law's birthday. It's also Memorial Day, and I feel like it's the kind of unofficial start of summer. So I'm using this kit called Flamingo, which is from B&R Paper Crafts. So we have like photo kit flamingos here for the full boxes. And then I have bottom washi, and it has kind of these corals and browns and a little gray in the colors. Page of full boxes here, even more full boxes without glitter, some functional things. 4 more full boxes plus a bunch of icons, more functional stuff, and then lastly glitter headers and 4 more full boxes. So tons of things to work with. But it should be really nice to use, and I feel like flamingos just scream summer, so I feel like it's a good transition kind of kit. So this will be the 5 kits that I am using in May in my planner. So you will see all of these show up in my planner during the relevant months, or relevant weeks. They will have plan with me's. So that's all I have for today. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which kit you're most excited to see me use, or if you don't have one, let me know what kit you're most excited to use. If you still don't have anything you want to say, leave me a flamingo emoji just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. I'll show in progress and finished spreads. I tag the shops, show them in the alt text, tell you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.